Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Network. Today we are going to review the Boltune's True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, and if I mispronounce Boltune's, then sorry. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but as you can see, Boltune, sorry for the camera angle. This camera is good, but I don't have a tripod or anything to mount this on. So let's get into it. So if we go ahead and open it right here, this does have kind of like an ASMR. You listen, guys. Here we are. Look, watch this. It had a little ASMR, like, wow. There it is. BOITUNE. So it comes in a bag, and it's upside down. There we are. The packaging is actually very, very nice quality. It's very solid. Yeah, very good. They got their website on the back, information, warranty and all that stuff. So I'm not really going to show you most of the back, but let's just take a look at the back now. So this product was manufactured in China, and it looks like it was imported in Japan. So there we are. You got the Bluetooth logo there. You got the manufacturer, the address, all that information. Then you got like the Bluetooth trademark. This is real and everything. This is not a cheap product because it's got all the trademarks and everything. And it's made in China, and it's got the ROSS HS made in China. So this is a certified product. Okay, so I think it's time to open the product up. Now that we've looked at everything. So yeah, it's the box is a bit well, it's not hard to open, but it's very solid in there. This box is really made pretty good, actually. I literally can't even get this thing open. But after a couple attempts of opening this up, well, it's very hard to open, actually. Whoever designed this and made this, they've really made this hard to open. Literally, you have to really open it hard. So there's a little pull tab, which is really quality, I've got to say. So we got we got a pull tab. So it says open on it, and you just pull it, and out comes everything you need to know about this product. And basically everything. Literally, that's it for the box. And it's a very nice packaging, as you can see. So let's read the instructions. Let's have a little look. So this little cardboard is basically the instructions, and it has, step 1, it's got the step 2, it's also got the step 3. And it basically tells you how to connect to it. So let's go ahead and open it up, and you get a little card with their logo on it, and the logo is actually really nice, I gotta say, and it's premium for a pretty cheap price. I actually got this. For about £42, and I got it on sale for roughly £36. So you can get this for a very, very, very good price. They got US numbers. They got Japan numbers for support, and I'm from the UK. But don't worry, I can extend my warranty at this web address, and that's what I'm going to do. They'll give you a code. So yeah, there it is. That's the warranty card and support and all that stuff. And then we've got a quick start guide. So this is the quick start guide for, quickly setting up everything. And you really would want this because there's actually a big user guide. You got a user guide and you got the quick start guide. So you can read this and literally just go and use the product instantly before actually, using the user guide, the big guide. So that's very nice that they got 2 manuals, And I forgot to mention, this product has Bluetooth 5.0, which is really new, and it's also got USB-C charging, which is actually the latest and the greatest charging you want. Very fast charging. So let's open this packet. As you can see, these are ear tips. We'll come back to that later. And then this is our USB-C cable. This is really quality made. And there it is. That right there, it's not going to focus very well, but that is USB-C. And then you got the earbuds themselves. They are beautifully packaged, actually. They, got a nice foam to them there on the side. Then you just lift them up very, very gently because you don't want to scratch it. And that's it for the box. And there they are. And they do have some weight to them, so that's pretty good, That's a sign that they're quality made. So they got a lot of weight to them. So let's now set it up and we'll unbox the earbuds. So this is the quick start guide on the box. It's a very quick start guide. And let me zoom in here. This is not stabilized, this footage, sorry. But here we are, you got step 1, basically just take out, power it on. And then you got step 2, that's going and turning on Bluetooth and connecting to them. And then you got number 3, put them in your ears and listen to music. And then there's some text here, what says, notice a pop-up pairing only enables free switching between the primary and secondary earbuds. Unsuccessful pairing will not affect the actual connection between your earphone and your phone. So that's the little quick start guide, the little one on the flap. And yeah, that's really it to the box. So let's go ahead and have a look at the quick start guide. So here's the quick start guide, as you can see. Just to let you know, this is the big user guide, with troubleshooting and everything. This is the quick start guide, very thin, as you can see, so it's very easy. And then it's basically got, support on the back. So let's open it up. So as you can see, we've got like the gestures, so as you can see, long press, you got tap once, you got tap twice, and long press. Basically what this is like the gestures you use on the earbuds. It's got like a little touch pad on it, a sensor, and then it tells you, plug in the earbuds, charge them up with the cable in a laptop, or you can use a power brick, which is really nice. And then, as you can see, just put them in your ears, and that's basically. And also, as you can see, we have Siri. Yes, this has got the assistant on it. If it's paired up with your phone, it can connect to your assistant, and you can use its built-in microphone to use the assistant, which is really nice. So that's basically just a quick guide, and I think it's time to actually unbox the product. So here are the earbuds, the real things. So let's go and put it upside down, and basically, what we need to do is we need to pull like this. It's like the sticky stuff, very nicely wrapped, and it really helps to protect. And here it is. So let's get her out. Yeah, let me just have a look. Yeah, this is actually. Yeah, this is really quality made, actually. Very quality made. That's a little LED light you got there, and then you have the logo on the top. On the back, you got your little button to turn it on, and I suppose, just, turn it on and do stuff. And then you got your USB-C charging port. And by the way, these automatically turn on the earbuds. When you're basically like, for example, they turn them on when you open up the case, and this material, this fabric feels very nice, and it actually, it's familiar to the Google Assistant fabric on the Google Home Mini. Very familiar, the fabric. So let's go ahead and open them up. We'll see if they have a charge. So we have opened them up, and yep, they have automatically paired. They don't have anything to pair on with, but they're currently apparently paired. But they have automatically turned on, which is great. And apparently, this actually, it makes a very nice sound, a magnetic click when you shut them up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And that actually makes a really nice sound. Then the light turns on, which is really nice. Open them up again, and yeah, they just turn back on. So as they, turn on automatically, it actually turns the earbuds on. They basically detect. When you open up the case basically detects when you open them up, and it will basically turn on the earbuds and they'll say pairing, and you can hear them. So these earbuds, they are actually pretty loud. So let's go ahead and open them up. The build quality is very nice. These are actually magnetic, so they actually click in the case, which is really beautiful. And the fabric looks very nice. It does make a sound, the fabric, when you actually open it. So that's something to keep in note, but it's not all about the charging case, it's actually about these earbuds. So here's an earbud, as you can see, very nice. That's what you touch on, and yeah, so it's very nice. So I think we should now test the sound. I don't think you're able to hear this, but I'm gonna basically now test the sound quality of the earbuds, and I'm gonna link it to my phone, and we're gonna see what the sound quality is like. So let's go. And one more thing before I test the sound, this little button here is actually pretty dodgy. It works perfectly fine. Maybe this is a design, but as you can see, it's all flat there, and then it, sticks up there. I don't know why, but it's a bit off-centered, but I suppose that's how they are. So yeah, let's test them. Okay, so I've actually tested the audio out, and the noise cancellation is literally, it feels very weird, It makes a little noise, when you have them in, just a, little noise. But I think it's supposed to make that noise, for the noise cancellation. And, yeah, the sound is very nice, actually. It's very bassy, and I think that's because my EQ is on for bass. It is, actually, so that's why. Yeah, they feel very weird when you actually put them on for the first time, because, they do hold in there. It's the tips, they feel weird. It's like when you go underwater and then there's pressure in your ear, but that's really good though. That's actually the noise cancellation taking action. I can't hear anything else with that on because the noise cancellation, which is really, really nice. So I gotta give these earbuds 10 out of 9, and the reason why the 9 is because you really need to get used to them, but overall, they're really good, actually. Really good. I wasn't expecting, them to be very good. So I'm going to be linking this item on Amazon, so you can, pick one up for yourself. I'll have the US link, but I suppose you can redirect yourself to United Kingdom if you're from the United Kingdom, or if you're from somewhere else. And also, one more thing to mention, these things actually survived a full charge. Literally, they were on 70%, which is really nice. So they're, they got some charge in them, which is really nice from that long travel. And they only took about 3 days to arrive, free delivery, and that's really nice, without Prime and everything. So anyway, thank you very much for watching Tech Network. Make sure you like. It really helps for the YouTube algorithm. It helps to, get the video in for the YouTube algorithm. And I'm really running out of ideas as well, so it would really help if you could suggest me some new technology and things, because I've actually ran out of ideas. So I will definitely consider it if you just leave that in the comments. And make sure you subscribe so you do not miss a video. You can, put the bell on. So you never miss a video. I'm actually doing premieres, so you can, chat, and I don't have super chat because, I'm not on 100k, I'm not on I'm not on 1k subscribers, not 1,000. So yeah, I can't have monetization. By the way, I'm not sponsored. I have never been sponsored, so all of these videos that you have been watching are 100% not sponsored. So keep that in note. So I do have to pay for all of this stuff. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Sam, and you have been watching Tech Network. Bye for now.